Understanding Rear-End Collision, an English language guide. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore an interesting and practical phrase in English, rear-end collision. This term is commonly used in everyday conversation, especially when discussing traffic and driving. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand what it means but also how to use it correctly in a sentence. Let's dive in. A rear-end collision refers to a type of traffic accident. It happens when one vehicle crashes into the vehicle in front of it. This term is quite visual. Rear end means the back part of something, in this case, a vehicle. Collision is another word for crash or accident. So, a rear-end collision is an accident where one vehicle hits the back of another. Now let's see how to use this phrase in a sentence. You might hear it in news reports, during discussions about road safety, or even in casual conversation about driving experiences. For example, I was in a rear-end collision on the highway yesterday. The traffic jam was caused by a rear-end collision near the exit. To avoid a rear-end collision, always keep a safe distance from the car in front of you. Understanding related terms can also be helpful. For instance, fender bender often refers to a minor rear-end collision with little damage. Tailgating, which means driving too closely to the vehicle in front, is a common cause of rear-end collisions. Recognizing these terms will help you better understand discussions about driving and accidents. I hope this explanation clarifies what a rear-end collision is and how you can use this phrase in your daily English conversations. Remember, understanding such specific terms not only enriches your vocabulary but also helps you navigate real-life situations more effectively. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.